show you how to do these bun ponytails. It's really fun. All you need is a hairbrush, a donut bun, a few of these clear hairbands, normal hairbands, and some of these clips. First, you need to parting your hair in the middle. Then, with that hair, you plait it. Do the plait up to where you want the ponytail. Then, secure the plait with this clear hairband. Do the same on each side. Now, take all the 3 plaits and put it in the front so that you can put unplaited hair in a ponytail. If you need help gathering the plait, you can use a brush. Then, secure the ponytail with a hairband. Make sure the ponytail is really tight. Then take the 3 plaits and secure it with the ponytail with another hairband. Then take your donut bun and put it on top of the hairband. To secure the donut bun, you'll need to use clips. You can use as many as you want. Then, parting your hair into 2 halves. Then take 1 half and put it in the front. Then take a hairband, hold the hair like that, and put the hairband on top. Then take the hair that is on the top and put it into 2 halves. Then with the hair that's there, just pull it to cover the donut bun. Then pull this part of the hair. Then secure it with the hairpins. If you want to make it more colourful, you can use any designed hair clips. I did a red bead because I'm wearing red. And I chose a blue for my doll because my favourite colour is blue. This is how it will look. I hope you you like this hairstyle and try it on yourself and see how easy and beautiful it is. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Hairstyle. See you in the next video. Bye!